Ultra-flex installation instruction for the push-lock fittings for wood posts. First, drill your holes into all the end posts. Place the lag thread into the pre-drilled hole and drive the lag thread into the wood post using our driver PL lag tool. Stop turning when the shoulder of the fitting between the lag thread and the body makes contact with the wood post. Then at the other end, place the lag thread into the pre-drilled hole and drive the lag thread into the wood post. Using a T-shaped Allen wrench can make this project much easier. Stop turning when the lag threads on the fitting are fully within the wood post. Assemble the female threaded rotation portion of the fitting onto the male thread, only so far as to cover the male thread and no more. Push the cable into the fitting as far as it will go, approximately 1 1/16 inch. Twist the cable clockwise as you push into the fitting. You will feel it slide through the jaws inside the fitting. Full insertion of the cable is critical to fitting performance under tension. Feed the bare end of the cable through any intermediate posts and mark the cable using the score mark on the tensioner as a guide and cut the cable. If after cutting the cable it is slightly frayed, just twist it back together. Back off the tensioner just a bit, and as you did before, push the cable into the fitting as far as it will go. Twist the cable clockwise, or as shown, turn the fitting counterclockwise while pushing the cable into the fitting. After successfully attaching the cable, tension by holding the tensioner body nearest the cable with a 3/8 inch wrench. Do not let this section rotate while the cable is inserted. Now rotate the female threaded section of the fitting into the threads. Tension all cables in sequence, beginning with the center cable, moving up and down toward the top and bottom. As you tension each cable, give it a sharp pull downward mid-span to help set the wedges. Then retension as necessary in the same sequence. Be aware that the cable may move as much as 3/16 of an inch as the wedges seat.